Hi, I'm Miriam, and in this second video I show you some feedback tools to perfect your flip. A regular feedback culture is a most efficient way to improve your flip. I show you 4 field-tested tools that capture your students' opinion about their experience with your online instructions. The first is a simple Google document that your whole class completes at the end of a lesson. I ask 3 simple questions. First, what did you like in today's lesson? Secondly, what could I do better? And third, do you have any questions left? Notice the digits behind the text. Those are from students who agree with the feedback. The document is anonymous as long as students are not logged in with their names. I hope for more honest answers. I'll take the feedback into account when I plan my next lessons. Secondly, I use frequently asked question sheets. This is a Google Docs as well, where students with a hyperlink can constantly ask questions about their assignments. I answer those questions as fast as possible. The questions are often related to unclear instructions, so I analyze them for the future to improve my assignments. Maybe I add additional information, or I change words to clarify an assignment, or I structure my text better with headers or the layout. In the end, I hone my texts constantly to avoid unnecessary questions in the future. A forum is my third method to interact with students online. They can ask questions and either you or the peers may answer them. But those interactions can give you hints as well about ambiguities in the content. The fourth method are surveys with forms for G Suite or Office 365. With forms, you ask students specific questions. As they answer individually, their opinion is less peer-influenced. If you send only a link, you can get their opinions anonymously. Here I did a quantitative and a qualitative survey. I asked the students about the time needed for different assignments. Look always into the graphs and the raw data, as they can give you different insights. In the qualitative survey, I asked them about the relevance of the task for their future. I encourage you to use open questions where they can share their thoughts in their own sentences. You may read information you didn't think about in the first place. A tip: if you want different anonymous surveys, but you would like to link them to each other, then let your students use individual pseudonyms. In the next video, I show you how to perfect your flip with the feedbacks.